Relation between prime factorization and general factorization. In prime factorization, if we speak in general sense, in prime factorization, we divide the whole into parts so that those parts cannot be divided further. But in general factorization, we are dividing the whole into parts and those parts can be divided further, but those parts are equal. This is very fantastic relation, and we are going to see this relation with formula as well as with one concrete example. Relation between prime factors and general factors. First, let us see what are prime factors. Prime factors, prime numbers which divide the given number evenly. It means here this is whole and we are dividing it into parts. In particular, we can see with the help of this example 48. Prime factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3, that is 2 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 1. It means there are 4 2's and 1 3. Accordingly, I have divided this whole into 4 parts. That is, this part is related to 2, this part is related to 2, this part is also related to 2 and this is also related to 2 and this part is related to 3. You can see here all these 5 parts are not equal, but mathematically speaking we cannot divide these parts further, but geometrically we can divide them, but mathematically we cannot divide those parts again, as area belongs to prime number. In general factors are counting number which divide the given number evenly. Those numbers may be composite numbers as well as prime numbers. So here I have taken the whole and this whole can be divided into as a 1, or we can divide it into 48 pieces. Similarly, this whole can be divided into 2 parts, or we can divide this whole into 24 parts. In the same way, the next whole can be divided into 3 parts or 16 parts, and this one 4 parts or 12 parts. Lastly, this whole can be divided into 6 parts or 8 parts. One way I have shown here, but in reverse case I have not shown here. But we can relate the primes, I mean factors. 1 can be related with 48. Here is 48. 2 can be related with 24. Similarly, 3 can be related with 16. 4 can be related with 12. And 6 can be related with 8. In this way, we can find the factors. Now, to see the relation between prime factors and general factors, we have one very simple formula. That is, first we have to represent the prime numbers in the indices form. That is, a to the power of p, b to the power of q, c to the power of r. And total factors can be represented by the formula p to the power of 1. Sorry, p plus 1. Here p is power of that prime number and q plus 1, r plus 1. If in particular we take this example of 48, we have 4 prime factors and 1 prime factor, that is 3, and there are such 4 2's and 1 3. To get the total factors, I have to take this power 4 and add 1, that is 4 plus 1, and take this 1, that is power of prime factor 3, and add 1 to that, that is 1 plus 1. Here I have got 5 and here I have got 2. If I multiply this 5 by 5 with 2, I'll get 10. It means that there are totally 10 factors, and those 10 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 48, 24, 60, 12 and 8. Those are the factors. But by prime factorization, we just get the factors, not exactly their number. So in this way, we can relate prime factors as well as general factors. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel learnlikeachild.com so that I can update you with my upcoming videos. Thank you.